All right, we're gonna do some tap center now. We're gonna start with our hands on our hips and we're just gonna bounce. Try and match the music if you can hear it, or you can turn on your own music. And then we're gonna tap our toes. Just your toe comes up and down. And then we're gonna stick our toes to the floor and we're gonna lift our heels up and do our heel drops. So we're gonna go heels. And then we're gonna do our toes again. See if you can go a little faster. And then now do your heels. One at a time. And a little faster. And then try and do both toes together. And try and go side to side, side to side. Now do your heels. Stick both your toes to the floor and we're going to go up and down. Both heels together. And go side to side. Side. Make sure you're lifting your heels up. Your toes stay stuck to the floor. And now we're going to try our windshield wiper. So we're going to go toes and heels. And toes and heels. And toes and heels. And then go back the other way. Heels and toes. Heels and toes. Heels and toes. Good job. Now we're going to put one foot in front. Try and keep your legs super still, and we're just going to tap our toe. Lift your toe up and down. And you can go over to the side and tap your toe. And try the other foot. Try to keep your legs super still. And then over to the side. Now we're going to take turns to the front. We're going to go toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step. And then we're going to switch and go to the side. Go toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step. Now we're going to do our heels. So you're going to point your toe up to the sky and you're going to do your heel dig. So just your heel is going to hit the floor. And you can go to the side and do it out to the side. And switch. Let's try the other side to the front. Point your toe up to the sky. Just your heel. And then go over to the side. And now they're going to take turns. We're going to go to the front first. Go heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. These are our heel digs. Now we're trying to the side, side, step, side, step, side, step. Now we're going to do our heel brush step. So you're going to do your heel dig, brush your toe, step on it. Heel, brush, step. Heel, brush, step. Heel, brush, step. Heel, brush, step. Heel, brush. Heel, brush, step, heel, brush, step. Then we're going to do our toe heel steps. So now you're going to point to the front and do your toe, then your heel, and step. Toe, heel, step. Toe, heel, step. Toe, heel, step. Let's try a little faster. Toe, heel, step. 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 A little faster. Toe, heel, step. 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 Whoa, so fast. Now we're going to do our toe dig. So you're going to put one foot behind you, and you're going to dig your toe. Tap it behind you on the floor. Toe digs. And then try the other side. And now take turns. Go step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe. And keep doing your toe digs. And try and spin around in a circle. toe. Try and go the other way. Step, toe, step, toe. Good job. And now let's do our shuffles. So we're going to pick up one foot, and remember we're trying to brush just our toe tap. And we're going to go front and back, front and back. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Alright, let's try the other foot. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Front and back, front and back. Alright, let's see if we can do those a little bit faster. We're going to go shuffle, and then shuffle. Whoa. Those are pretty tricky. Shuffle. Let's try the other foot. Shuffle. 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 Good job. Alright, now we're going to do 3 shuffles and then hop and switch to the other side. So we're going to shuffle, we're going to do our slower shuffles. We're going to shuffle 1, 2, 3, hop, step. 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 Alright, and then we're going to do our V steps. So some of you might practice this in your dance. We start with our feet together, and you're going to step like there's a V drawn on the floor. You're going to step out, apart, and then you step back together. Back, together. So we're making a little V on the floor. Step out, apart, back, together, out, apart, back, together, out, apart, back, together. If you want to make it really tricky, you can do your heel toes and your toe heels like I was doing. So you go heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel. Heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel. Alright, we're going to do some stuff back and forth across the floor. Make sure you have some space. First, we're just going to do our marches. So we're going to try and make them really loud, and you're going to stop. And then march backwards. And then we're going to try our sideways marches. So you're going to step together. And then go back the other way. Make sure you still face the same direction and step apart together. Now we're going to do our heel toe walks going forward. So you're going to do heel, toe, heel, toe. Remember, you're trying to make your toe sound really loud when you put it down. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Heel, toe. And then going backwards, we're going to do our toe heel. So put your toe down, then your heel. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Then we're going to walk across on just our tippy toes. So try to make your toes sound really loud again and walk up on your toes. And then backwards. Okay, then we're going to do our flaps moving forward. So first you're going to pick your foot up and you're going to go brush, step, brush, step. When you do your brush, you're trying to get just your toe on the floor. So we don't want our whole foot to go. We want just our toe. Brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. La, 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 la. Then we're going to go backwards doing our brush backs. So this time you're going to pick your foot up in front of you and brush it backwards. We're still trying to get just our toe to hit the floor. Brush, step, 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 back. Then we're going to practice practice our step ball changes. We've done these a few different ways, but this is our 3 steps, and then we pause. And we want it to be super quiet so your feet don't make any noise. So you step 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is really quiet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can try those backwards too. So you step 1, 2, 3, and then pause. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do those again, but this time we're gonna add a clap. So we're gonna step. When you do it, I want you to try to step front, back, front, and then we're gonna clap. Then put your other foot in front. Front, back, front, clap. Front, back, front, clap. Now let's go backwards and we're going to step back, front, back, clap. Other foot. Back, front, back, clap. Switch. Back, front, back, clap. Switch. Back, front, back, clap. Okay, let's do those one more time and we're going to go just a little bit faster. Ready? We go 1, 2, 3, clap. 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 Now go backwards. 1, 2, 3, clap. 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 1, 2, 3. All right, good job.